special needs Alice, faith, and action. For without action, then our faith is dead. My name is Eva Alphonse, in case you're new here, and in this channel we create a society that is informed, inclusive, and updated on matters concerning special needs, disabilities, and child development in general. For returning viewers and new subscribers, karibuni sana. In today's video, we are on the segment Play and Learn. And in this segment, we're going to make a very interesting video, and it includes making a sensory bottle at home. A very simple sensory bottle that does not include so much, but it is an effective sensory bottle. Using materials that are easily available at home and are not that much expensive. So stay tuned and watch this video up to the end. And before we get into that, let's look at what are the importance of a sensory bottle. Importance number one of a sensory bottle is that it helps to regulate emotions. You know, sometimes a child is so hyper or so irritated by something, or they're so grumpy, and sometimes what you can use is a sensory bottle to regulate these emotions. A sensory bottle can also be used in speech and language development. This because this sensory bottle, you can use it to communicate with the child, like bring the bottle, take it, the bottle, and also share with your friends. So as you use the sensory bottles, you're also developing vocabularies to the child. Or a sensory bottle is also used in cognitive development. You can make sensory bottles of a similar kind in different groups, and you can be asking this child to divide or group them according to their similarities. As they do so, or even counting, they're developing in their cognitive skills. And the last among the many uses of a sensory bottle is that it's used in social skills. This includes like sharing as they play with others, and even interacting with their friends through the sensory bottles. And now, without much further ado, let's get into the video. So for our sensory bottle, we're not going to use so much items. We're just going to use a few items, and let me show you what I'm going to use for this video. First of all, a bottle. In this case, I'm using a clear plastic bottle just because we have to see what's inside the bottle and what's happening in the bottle. Next, we need what to put inside the bottle. I have water here, and this water I'll be using it with glycerin. This is just clear glycerin that can be used on someone's body. It's just glycerin. And then the other things that I'll be using glitters in 3 different colors. This is pink, and then I have green, and I have goldish, gold glitters, yes. And lastly, we need super glue, because we have to seal that bottle nicely so that that water and the contents won't pour out. So let's get to making it. glycerin, nothing else. And there we are with our sensory bottle. I wanted that color purple as the dominant one because I have others in other different colors and I didn't have that purple color. So I made it purposefully to make that as the dominant color. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel, share and leave a comment down below in case you want to see or to know how to make any other thing at home. Keep it special needs, Palace.